almost near the mid-afternoon as we're winding down the last weekend of September 28th, 2025. Cian Hayes here with the ATSF Rail Fan and John Yamada. 1424 coming to you from Ladysmith, Wisconsin with another video lined up. Northbound on the way that met the U762 and the U724. Check them on the roll now, so lean back and get them. Big pack of units. 3869. 3928, 3119, XCL 3923, 3353, and the brand new 3423. How about that? Definitely a highlight of the day. So we brought back the M341. M341 91 20 for the Kirkyard, Indiana. This will head up 17 yard and when the big game's over, clean it out. Pacific 700 999. How about that? And we'll do it for the M341 91 of the 28th. And we'll do it for that 6-unit last shot. And we'll do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great afternoon. Enjoy the rest of the weekend. See you next time, and I hope I will see you along the main line. Cian Hayes out.